Guys, I just made a real life arena pistol. It requires barely anything. Got him. See? Oh crap, hold up. And mine. Here, let me show you. And mine. See? Working arena pistol. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make one. Y'all could probably already know how to, but just for the process, if anybody's confused on how to do it, it's very, very easy. Also, I'm gonna make an upgraded version that's better than the old arena pistol. So, just throw that. Alright, clear anything you have there. Grab a revolver. Just borrow it from a friend if you don't have one. Put a piece of goop right on top of there. Like right on.
Where did everyone go?
I do not know. Then put a pickaxe facing like that.
Have you got all the jerseys yet?
No, I do not. I'm not a fan of soccer.
You even have a single one?
I'm not a fan of soccer. Okay, there we go. So now, if you position it right, it might look ugly at first. Hey, y'all could do this too. And then mine, you know, the real way to do this, place it on the side like that so it can go boom. Boom. There is your arena pistol. And also in today's video, you can save it anytime you want. Oh, my bad. And also today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make the most simplest probably crowbar thing. You know, those giveaway bags like these. I can't grab them.
Oh, I think they patched
what I'm trying to say is,
well, they didn't patch this yet. God dang it, I messed it up so bad, it was just crazy.
These, right in my hand. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Something like that. So what you're gonna do, grab this backpack. The smallest backpack. Dupe it. So black, I'm gonna need your help.
How do I make a mech?
Can you help me dupe this?
Okay.
Alright.
Hold up, let me get that real quick.
We're gonna do it the old fashioned way too. Where the black. So come here. And let's dupe this. We're doing it the old fashioned way. So pick it up and drop it. Put it right there. Alright. Dupe it. Pick it up and drop it and put it right there. Pick it up and drop it again. Put it right there. Put this one in our stash. Keep doing it until you get quite a few bags. Gang, what are you doing? Why do you keep picking it up and dropping it? Well, let's do 2 more. Pick it up and drop it. And alright, we have enough. So we have okay, that's good enough. What we're gonna do is grab any weapon, like a baton, a crowbar, this thing, you know, anything that's long. So I'm gonna use a crowbar, for example. and grab one of your bags. You can face anywhere. Boom. Like that. Just keep putting it alongside. Make sure it's like kind of spread it out so you can put stuff actually in. This is my version. You can go check out other people's versions. Subscribe to their channels. And make sure to subscribe to my channel too while you're at it. So I'm gonna do two, and two. I'm gonna do it over here this time. Hold up. There. Dang, I hate when it does that. And then put one more. Now we got these on the thing. You can make it more neat and customize it however you want. So, scan it. There we go. So then it opens and you could go. So, for example, you can put some Pokemon cards inside, like 1, a 2, and a 3, and a 4. One in there. And there. And at the end. So you can put it anywhere basically on your back since it's backpacks. And also hip slot. So what I'm gonna do is pretend I'm doing a giveaway with like some stuff inside of it that I have in my stash. So like that, you can go like that. Empty them. Oh, just like that. And that's basically it now. Thank you for watching the video. So these are all the tutorials. We have this bag tutorial. We have that, and then the arena pickaxe tutorial. That sucks, that Duncan.